Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a man sandwich. I don't do a lot of sandwiches on here, so I decided to drop one today. So let's get into it. Alright, so now I'm just going to put the dressing together, which is going to be mayo, this mango spread right here, or chutney or jam. And you're just going to mix that together with some salt and pepper and a little bit of vinegar. I decided to add the vinegar because I feel like it needed a pick-me-up and I didn't have any lemon juice, so I used the vinegar. This is also to taste. If you don't want it sweet or you want it more sweet, you add more mango chutney. But of course, I'm going to put everything in the description box. Now look at this beautiful yellow color. I just loved how it turned out, and the dressing was absolutely delicious. So I used some rice wine vinegar, and then it was perfect. Like I said, it was good without it, but it needed a pick-me-up. This is the whole entire spread. I'm going to be using the Munster cheese. You can use the cheese your man prefers. I'm going to have some honey smoked turkey, some bacon, the bread, it's whole wheat, and the spring mix. So you want to cook your bacon, toast your bread, and now we're going to put it all together. So I'm going to let y'all watch that, and I'll come back with my commentary. The best part about this sandwich to me was the bread, because it was super light, it was whole wheat, and it was fresh. I got it from the store, as well as the sauce. We all know bacon is good, turkey is good, we all know that. But, the bread and the sauce, well, the spread, definitely took it over the top for me. And it was easy to eat and just, easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye, you guys.